Hi everyone, welcome to the AUDIBLE Project. My name is Ryan, and we are going to be checking out this tripod carabiner by Maytech. Hi everyone, welcome back. So I have this product here. It's the Caribeaner tripod, and it is using the MagSafe magnet for your iPhone, either iPhone, any MagSafe iPhone. So I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and what's great about the iPhone 17 Pro Max is obviously the cameras, and for me is video. So this is a collaboration. I did receive this product free of charge from Maytech. It is a collaboration where they don't have any say. This is a strict review of my experience, and I do have an affiliate link below and also a discount code below as well. So if you do like the product and want to check it out, there's a discount there below, and also help support the channel. So they're not going to review this before the release of this video. So there's a couple things that I want to talk about. Is the build itself. It's not plastic. Looks like it's an aluminum. It's nice. It's firm, and the magnet is really, really strong. Like, obviously I'm shaking this, and it's on there, and so from a build standpoint, it's really, really good. Now it's also carabiner, so obviously you can put this on your bag, your belt loop if you want. And again, there's just a rubber piece here that makes it easier to connect. Comes out here, and it has these rubber feet that help create more secure on whatever you put this on. Now, to be clear, I don't think there is a perfect iPhone tripod yet. This one comes close, especially if you're starting YouTube or you're using your iPhone as your webcam, things like that. Because if you're in the Apple ecosystem, it's really, really nice that you can use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac Mini, Mac Studio, your MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, etc. And so having this as a stand on your desk can really help in those situations. And when you have this closed, you can have this obviously out and about to film, take a picture, etc. And it's MagSafe, so it's good to go. Now it does come with a magnetic circle for maybe a device that doesn't have MagSafe, maybe an Android device, etc. So it does give you tools in the box to do so. So I'm going to be trying this out, obviously, for a period of time to give you a longer term review. But from my initial thoughts, that this has been great, and it's one of those accessories that are super, super simple. You put this on, and you are good to go. It is sturdy. It's nice and strong, and something that I can put in my bag, and I'm good to go. Don't really need to think about it. And when I'm ready to film something that I see, or even in my I do have another YouTube channel called Project Fit Daddy, and also have a channel where I talk about, it's a podcast about cycling, last wheel cycling. This is something that I'm going to be using as well, where I can put this wherever I am and record. So this is the MagTech Carabiner mounted phone tripod. And again, solid quality build. It's easy to use, and the carabiner part makes it nice and easy to attach to a bag or, of course, your belt loop. And no negatives yet, but stay tuned for a long-term review. Hopefully you found value in this video. And if you are interested, there are some links below for you to check out and purchase one for yourself. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you in the next one.